Hi all, I am Smokeman and today I'm going to present the Xiaomi AU for my Mi Note 10. As you see, I'm going to test the face unlock, and as you saw, very fast. Okay, double tap to wake the fingerprint, working fine. Okay, also with my left hand, for some reason, it doesn't unlock so fast, but maybe I have to record a new fingerprint. But the face unlock, it's very snappy. Okay, I'm gonna show you. See, unlocked. You can also left the lock there, here, like this. Okay, you can stay on lock screen after unlocking, but I don't like that, because you do that. Okay, it shows the OK and you have to swipe up to unlock. I prefer not to do that and unlock at once. Okay, so but you have an option. If you want that, you have that option. Okay, also the ROM, as you all know, it's here, Mi Note 10. The version is the 26.4 beta version. The ROM is very snappy. Okay, on the camera you have Mi Note 10 on the watermark. If you guys like I like the watermark there. Okay, it shows Mi Note 10 as it should. Okay, the menu, as you see, it's different. Okay, so in the photo you don't have the macro or the 5x zoom. You have only the normal, the tele-wide, and the 2x zoom. You have to go here and you have the macro here. Okay, if you prefer, you have all the cameras on pro mode. On pro mode you can choose the photo, the tele 5x, the ultra wide, and the macro. Okay, so you can choose it here on the pro mode. Let me take a quick shot here. Okay, here it is, and I'm gonna try also. You can choose the wide here. You can choose all you want. Okay, uh, on the photo you can swipe up like that. Okay, you can edit the options here. As you see, you can edit the 108 megapixel photo. It's like this. Okay, and you're gonna see it here. Okay, so no problems on that. And the battery life, it's better on this version. As you should know, you have many options. This is MIUI 12 with the new control center. Okay, running amazing. You have the small icons here. You see the small animations there. All right, you have the 5G working fine, data working fine, all is working fine. The teams, as you know, still it's not perfect, the teams, because many of them are in English still, but I prefer the normal ones. You have this is the default one, and you don't have the super wallpapers. Okay, you don't have it. If you wanna have it, you just have to go here. You can choose it from here, from Teams, and you can import the wallpapers. Okay, that you like. I'm gonna see here. You have the dynamic wallpapers, and you have here. You just apply it. Okay, and here it is. Okay, super wallpapers, but it doesn't show like in my Mi 9T Pro. because of the Snapdragon. I don't understand the Xiaomi on that, because the CPU it's perfectly capable to use the super wallpaper. Battery life it's very good on this ROM, okay, it's very good. But the new MIUI 12, as you see, the animations and all are amazing. This phone gets really cool to have with these animations all integrated in MIUI 12. So this is my first version of MIUI 12 still at one charge only. I have to test a little bit, but you see that the ROM doesn't lag, doesn't have any lag. It goes smoothly, okay? So I hope you enjoyed the ROM, you enjoyed the video.